Sunday, January 21st, 2024. Third Sunday in Ordinary Time, a day of Biblical Apostolate. Focus. Jesus called them and they left their father and followed him. I remember a nun we knew well who asked my daughter at her first communion if she felt Jesus calling her. When she received the host, even without a specific call to vocation, all Christians are invited to be the witnesses of love and service to mankind and to God's creation. How do we discern Jesus' call and align our lives to mirror God's kingdom? We will be able to do the will of God only if we focus on the treasures of His kingdom and discard all worldly attachment that may distract us. Jesus generously shared His treasure trove with us at Mass. All we need is to stay focused when He speaks to us through the reading and homily. The Word is alive and active. The day of Biblical Apostolate helps us to pledge to immerse ourselves in it. We will then hear God's call to open our hearts to needs of others and our minds to the heavenly things, and so live Christ-centered life. Can we make space for God rather than chase after the wealth, status, fame, or social media followers? Fruits. Lord, help me to let go of the things that fills my mind and weight me down. Free me to follow you.